with expert guidance from Chef Željko, in organization with Association of Chefs from Mediterranean and European regions. We'll do a culinary course and try to learn about some of the secrets of a true Dalmatian spisa. That's cuisine in Dalmatian for you. Getting ourselves off to a good start. We're shopping for groceries on Pazar, Split's open food market. We'll get all the fresh local fruit and vegetables we're going to need for today's lunch. After Pazar, we'll look around Peškarija, the fish market, and choose the best catch of the day. It's not that important what kind of fish it is, as long as it's exceptionally fresh. And then we can start cooking up some real magic. We are back from the open market where we bought the freshest, most beautiful ingredients. And we are with Željko in his kitchen where we're going to learn how to make some amazing food from scratch. And this is, you call this split cooking class?
Yeah, this is the program for the tourists that we learn them and show them what we are cooking, what we are eating here. So this is Culinary Academy of our association.
Culinary Academy.
Yes,
sounds so grand. That feels so important. To begin with, we'll first knead the dough for some real homemade bread. How am I doing? Is that the way to do it?
Yeah, this is a good way to do it. You need just to press the air out and combine all the ingredients. And now we will make a form, whatever you want. Or round one or long one.
Yeah, round one.
Round one.
Done.
I'll use some more flour, I will help you.
Okay.
So, we prepared the bread, now it's time to prepare dessert.
Dessert.
So, dessert. We will prepare traditional cake here. It's called rožata, internationally known as creme caramel, but we will do it from the scratch.
Okay, so I'm putting the milk
inside. So this is the basic recipe. But now we will put some spices inside. This is vanilla sugar. You can put half of this bag.
Lovely smell.
And we will put some orange zest inside.
Orange zest. Okay.
The caramel is one of the nicest thing in the kitchen, but also very dangerous.
Ooh, okay.
So we will put it in the mold inside, and then we will roll it a little bit to put the caramel around.
Of course.
In every layer.
So just pour, right?
Just pour inside.
Okay.
And then by cooking on the steam, all ingredients will melt together. So caramel will go into the cream, and the cream will combine with the caramel.
The bread is baking, the dessert is cooling down, and now's the time to prepare the cold appetizer. Željko is teaching us how to skillfully fillet the fish and prepare a delicious carpaccio.
We will put some orange juice, some salt, pepper, and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on the top, and this go into the fridge for a couple of hours. If you want to use it longer, you can preserve the fish in that way for a couple of days. In that case, you're not putting any salt in it.
We'll skin the fish and marinate the meat to make carpaccio. Another dish typical of this region, which we'll be preparing, is a shrimp risotto. Shrimp, of course, need to be cleaned first. After preparation of all these fantastic dishes, we learned a lot about Split and Dalmatian cuisine, first-hand from Željko. And as proof that I mastered split cooking class, they gave me a chef's diploma. Now the only thing left to do is enjoy everything we've prepared.